I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how to draw an easy step-by-step picture of a giant panda. Enjoy! Giant pandas, relatives of the bears, are one of the world's rarest mammals. They live in the rainy bamboo forests of southwest China, and there's only about 1,500 left of them in the wild. They can survive in the wild for about 20 years, and the average one weighs 300 pounds, although the average female only weighs 200 pounds. So here we have one sitting up in a tree, playing around. They are very playful, although they are extremely shy. And it's fun to watch them eat, even though this one is not eating. But when they eat, they sit up, sort of like we do, and they eat a lot of bamboo. That's basically 99% of their food that they eat, and they spend 12 hours a day eating it. The reason they need to eat so much is because they only digest about a fifth of it, and it's not a nutritious food, so they have to eat around 15% of their body weight in 12 hours. They are eating a lot and eating fast, and they have big flat teeth to help them do it. So they hold it in their front paws, and they chomp and they chomp. Which reminds me, why should you never have a panda bear in your restaurant? Because it eats shoots and leaves. So as you can see, we first outlined the basic shape. We put him in his tree, and to get the dark black fur, takes a lot of layering of black and dark gray, just over and over again, following the direction that the fur grows. So look closely at your picture, and it can get a little complicated because sometimes the fur is looking straight at you, because the bear's all covered in fur and he's in whatever position he's sitting. So sometimes the fur is facing towards your view, and that can get a little complicated to actually draw that. Some parts are straightforward, like the ears basically go straight up, and around the eyes. And around the cheeks and the front, like the belly area, the fur is not really white, it's more grayish, or it looks like there's black behind the white. So I first put some black markings, and then on top of that layered in the white and the light yellowish coloring, and some areas of gray. That's a very pink tongue, and it looks almost like he's laughing. I grew up with a beloved stuffed panda bear that belonged to my brother, and we liked it a lot. Pandas they're cute. Don't get too close to one. I don't think they enjoy your company. But they are cute to watch. They can have a lot of fun tumbling with each other, playing around. And if you go to a zoo that actually has a panda, not all of them have one, but if they're awake, they're fun to watch. They're not one of those boring animals just sitting around and lazing. They're cute. You can just imagine he's sitting up there in a tree calling down to his mother saying, "Hey, look at me up here. Take a picture." Which is exactly what the photographer did, not his mother. So this was very repetitive work, with some diversity with this tree and the pink of the tongue, but besides for that, it was just a lot of over and over again layering of the black and the areas of gray, and trying to get a fuzzy edge to everything, since their fur is very, very thick, so it needs to look very fuzzy. Tried to put in as many small lines as I could, and here I gave an edge with the electric eraser. It's always a lot of fun to use. I put in the claws and the edge of the fur to make it look even fuzzier. This tree is just a very basic tree. I didn't work hard on it because it's not really the point. The point is the panda bear, so I added a little bit of blue into the black fur to give it some shininess. And I accentuated those claws with the black. So I made space for them using the electric eraser, and then just added black back in to make their exact shape. And I put layers of light gray and white and ivory and whatever light colored pencils I had for the light parts of the fur. And all those gray parts show how the nose sticks out and gives some depth. So just make sure to put in all those parts that are not pure white. They really add the detail that you're looking for. Hope you enjoyed watching, and check out my other animal drawings. Have a great day.